We want to find the derivative of y equals open parenthesis 3x plus 2 close parenthesis to the fifth power. Before doing any calculus, notice the structure. Ask yourself, what is actually being raised to the fifth power? It is not just x. The entire expression 3x plus 2 is wrapped inside the exponent. That means this is a function inside another function, and that is exactly when we use the chain rule. Think of it in two layers. The inside function is 3x plus 2. The outside function says, take whatever you get and raise it to the fifth power. To make the layers easier to see, let u equal 3x plus 2. Then the problem becomes y equals u to the fifth. Now we differentiate the outside first. Treat u exactly like it is the variable. The derivative of u to the fifth is 5u to the fourth. So we write dy over du equals 5u to the fourth. Now differentiate the inside function. U equals 3x plus 2, so du over dx equals 3. Here comes the chain rule. Multiply the two derivatives together. Dy over dx equals dy over du times du over dx. Substitute what we found. Dy over dx equals 5u to the fourth times 3. That becomes 15u to the fourth. Now replace u with the original expression 3x plus 2. Final answer, dy over dx equals 15 open parenthesis 3x plus 2 close parenthesis to the fourth power. And here is the important idea. The extra 3 appears because 3x plus 2 changes 3 times faster than x alone. The chain rule tracks how changes move through each layer of the function. So the pattern is always differentiate the outside, multiply by the derivative of the inside.